In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp Workload View to plan and balance your team's capacity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the workload view, interpret what you're seeing, and make smart adjustments so no one is overloaded. Start by opening your browser, heading to clickup.com, and signing in. From your dashboard, open the space where you want to manage workload, like the space for your team or a specific project. If you operate in multiple workspaces, quickly confirm you're in the right one so your changes land in the correct place. Inside that space, look for the Views bar at the top or along the left. Click More Views or the plus icon to add a new one, then choose Workload. This adds a dedicated workload view to your space, which is what we'll use for planning. The workload view is organized with team members as rows and dates as columns for the time period you've selected. Each cell shows the total scheduled hours for that person on that day, with the tasks listed underneath. Click into any cell to see the details and confirm what's driving those totals. To make this view useful, add details to your tasks. Open any task in a list within the same space and set the assignee a time estimate, such as 2 hours plus a start date and a due date. For example, if one teammate has 2 tasks on the same day, estimated at 2 hours and 3 hours, the workload view will show 5 hours for that person on that date. Head back to the workload view and hover over or click the person's row for a specific day. You'll see the total hours like 5.1 or 5.5 if you've included smaller estimates along with a breakdown of the tasks. If you adjust a due date or change a time estimate, the workload view updates automatically so you can watch the impact in real time. You can also track unassigned work. Create a new task, leave it unassigned, and set the start date, due date, and a time estimate, like 6 hours. In the workload view, you'll see those hours distributed across the date range, labeled as unassigned until you pick an assignee. Use the workload controls to tidy and navigate the view. Show or hide empty groups, expand or collapse rows to see more or less detail, and click into cells for totals and task lists. Depending on your plan, you can reassign tasks right from here and adjust due dates or estimates to balance the load. Make a habit of reviewing this view daily or weekly. It's perfect for spotting overload and underutilization, moving tasks between people or days, and keeping everyone's schedule healthy and realistic. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.